Hi mga beshi! Welcome back to my vlog. At kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit beshi ang tawag ko sa inyo, well, today, I'll share the story behind that. So, nung bago pa lang ako dito sa UAE, naging Kapampangan man tayo, nagkaroon ng Hage. So, nung bago pa lang ako dito sa UAE, I had a best friend here. As in ride or die friend. Through good days, bad days, iyakan, tawanan, lahat. We called each other Besh or Beshi. Short for best friend, syempre. And that word naging special sa akin. Kasi in a place far from home, she reminded me na kahit OFW ka, hindi ka nag-iisa. So eventually, we went our separate ways. Iba't ibang trabaho na, iba-ibang landas. Pero hanggang ngayon, dala ko pa rin yung meaning ng Beshi. And when I started this vlog, I decided to call all of you my Beshies. Kasi kahit hindi tayo magkakilala personally, I want this channel to feel like a safe place. Parang may kausap kang best friend, someone who gets it, 'di ba? At higit sa lahat, I believe God sends people into our lives. Sometimes for a season, sometimes for a purpose. At ikaw na nanonood ngayon, I believe He led you here for a reason too. So, kung wala kang best friend right now, don't worry. Meron ka ng beshi dito. At hindi lang ako yon, kasama natin si Lord sa bawat kwento, bawat episode. Kaya, thank you for being here, beshi. So, let's keep growing, hoping, and believing together. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your own beshi too. So, yun lamang. Thank you, Beshi. See you on the next vlog.